guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how to get animals filter in Instagram. So we are in the Instagram effect gallery, and here Instagram categorize the filter. They have different category. Here you can see animals. Tap here and I'm getting error, no effects found. So if you are getting this error and you want to find this animals filter, you can do one thing. You can go to my profile and you can check my highlights, animal highlight, and you can see this animal filters. Now on the top of the screen you can see this filter name and the creator name. You can tap there, and from here you have option to try it. You can save it to your camera, and more you can browse effect. You can see more effect created by this creator, and you can report this effect. So as you can see, all the filters with animal I find, I keep in this highlight, and whenever I am finding more, I am adding to this highlights. So you can get it from here. So let's go quick. Okay, likewise, yeah, there are different categories also. You can browse these different categories. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video.